World Health Summit, President William Ruto has called for reinvention of Africa's health systems to transform the delivery of healthcare across the continent.
Now addressing the World Health Summit regional meeting at the Aga Khan University in Nairobi, Kenya, the president urged governments to ensure sustainable health funding, regretting that Africa currently imports over 90% of its medical products.
Kamchemenza compiled this report.
Over 2,000 delegates from 40 countries gathered in Nairobi for the summit, where the president emphasized the need to boost domestic funding and reduce reliance on external aid and supply chains.
It challenges us to design practical pathways that translate into better outcomes for health in our continent. Africa today stands at a critical intersection, defined by stark disparities and immense opportunity.
President Ruto also called for increased investment in local manufacturing, genomics, and biotechnology, urging African nations to leverage innovation, digital growth, and a youthful population to become producers of health solutions.
Our responsibility, therefore, is not merely to recognize Africa's potential, but to fully realize it through coordinated investments, policy alignment, and institutional strengthening that can deliver impact at scale and speed.
Speakers at the summit called for stronger investment in local manufacturing, innovation, and resilient health systems across the continent.
Health is not a privilege, it is a right. And it is a prerequisite for everything else we are trying to build. We cannot achieve SDG 2, zero hunger, without healthy communities.
Investment in health is not a charity. It is insurance for our shared future. And that investment is not measured only in US dollars or sterling pounds, but in trust, in knowledge, in systems, in people, and in innovation.
In this meeting, we will indeed identify those problems that we have always identified, but we will also generate solutions in this meeting. But beyond generating solutions, we will make commitments about the actions that we need to take in order to solve those problems.
Kamchemenza for Prime Edition.